Happy Thanksgiving. What are you thankful for?
Costumes.
Costumes? What else are you thankful for?
A papa.
Well, that's very nice. Who else are you thankful for? Who else are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for all I got food.
All your food, and who made the food?
The people who make it.
Well, who made the food today?
My mommy does.
So who are you thankful for?
Mommy!
Who else are you thankful for?
Berkeley.
Who?
Berkeley!
Hi, Berkeley.
And I'm thankful for Santa Claus.
You're thankful for Santa Claus? That's a pretty good thing.
Hey, be careful with that knife.
I'm thankful for I have forks.
You're thankful for forks?
For you, forks.
Wow.
And Papa has drinks.
I have what?
Drinks.
You're thankful for Papa drinks?
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa's thankful for Papa drinks too.
She did it.
I'm thankful for snow.
Snow? Where's the snow?
It's in Chicago.
When are you going to see the snow in Chicago?
Like a Christmassy.
Wow.
Yeah.
And who are you thankful for in Chicago? And who are you thankful for in Charleston?
Yeah, Poppy.
Wow.
And what about your cousin?
Yeah.
And Drake.
You're thankful for Pitt? You're thankful for Pitt and Drake?
What about Ann?
Wow.
And Iron Man.
And Iron Man.
Because Aunt Claire sat with Robert Downey Jr.
Yeah, but,
Sat next to him.
yeah, but that was Iron Man.
It was Iron Man.
Well, what? Iron Man is big.
Huh?
Yes.
That Iron Man was big.
Well,
Watch how he came in the door.
They opened the big doors to let Iron Man through. Can you tell us?
Big door.
Big doors, a double door.
like that.
Yeah. Just like those doors right there, double doors. Becky, can you tell us one more thing you're thankful for?
A clock in my room.
Your clock in your room. Well, with
Okay.
that said, happy Thanksgiving.